Hello everybody, today I will show you how I rig the spear so it can squat and stretch, also it can rotate. Okay, let's back it to the normal position. Press Ctrl 1. We will try to squat it. Okay, now if we go to top view, here is the spear. Go to normal. Now go to front. Let's try to stretch. As you can see, this is good. Okay. If there are any other easy method, please post it in comment. Let's start. First delete this cube. Then adding UV spear. Press 1 to go to front orthographic views. G, Z, 1. Move the spear up. Press N to bring up this panel. Now we apply this new location of the spear. Ctrl A, then location. Now adding this bone. Place this bone in front of the spear. Now scale. We need to scale this bone. Scale as 0.2. Okay. Go to edit mode. Click this bone. We move it down a bit. G, Z, minus 0.2. Adding new bone. E, Z, 2. Another E, Z, 0.2. Now we have to bond 3 bonds. We will rename this bond. This first bond, we will rename it to origin bond. Origin. Center, we will rename it bond. And this top, we will rename it contour. Now we have these 3 bonds. Go to object mode. We will apply the scale. Remember to apply the scale. Okay, Ctrl E, scale. Now apply the scale. Go to edit mode again. Now we will clear this parent. This still has parent with these 2 bonds. In this edit mode, Alt P, clear parent. Now we will see this is clear. Okay, now go to pause mode. Click this bond. Go to bond constraint. Here, not here, but here. Okay, out stretch to target armature bond. Choose controller. This rest length. Choose 2. Now, if we click this control bond, it will stretch this bone. Stretch, squash and stretch this bone. Go to object mode. Now we will apply it with this spear. Click the spear, shift click this bone, Ctrl P with automatic weight. Now, if you go to pause mode with this controller, you see this spear is now squash and stretch. Okay, now for rotating, you need to set this pivot point to 3D cursor. If not, you can see if you hit R, it's still not rotate. Change this to 3D cursor. Now try to rotate. Great. Click here. We'll try G, Z. Then we rotate. Good. Like you can see, this is Okay,